Good morning mga palangga. Good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 15, 2025. And I'm having my walking session right now. Today is Tuesday, so may pasok. At dahil may pasok, kailangan dito na lang muna tayo. Hindi tayo makakapunta doon sa area kung saan ginagawa ko ang aking walking session. And anyway, kumusta mga mamis? Kumusta po kayo? Good morning, good morning. Ang lakas ng ulan kagabi. Sobra. So, kumusta po dyan? Umuulan po ba sa inyo? Kagabi kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, malamig. Rinig niyo yun? It's 5:16 in the morning, and yeah, I am doing my morning walk. Kahit pa paano makakapag-exercise tayo. Sa napaka-busy natin na araw-araw, bigyan natin ng panahon kahit konti yung ating mga katawan. Na tayo makagalaw-galaw, mag-exercise, at gawin ko ano yung nararapat. Right now, I am doing it because it is a must. So, marami tayong gagawin sa araw na to, which is, dami tayong gagawin sa school. Yeah. But then, I'm proud to say na nagagawa ko siya. A 30-minute in a day. At least, may nagawa tayo. Stretching and exercising today. So I'm grateful to that. Yeah. And nakakatuwa kapag napagsasabay, na kaya natin ipagsabay yung exercise, day-to-day exercise, and yung ating work. Ginagawa ko siya like 4 times a week. Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday, and Monday. I hope you're all doing well, mommies. And for today's video, I guess ito na lang muna. I'll see you again tomorrow.